Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Etobicoke, local and long-distance movers near me. Any distance that exceeds 100 miles is long distance. Organizing such a move is time-consuming, costly, and simply overwhelming. It can be a stress-free and exciting experience, but only if you do it right. If you are looking for a long-distance moving company in Etobicoke or across the Canadian borders to the United States, do not look any further than 3 Movers. We understand how challenging it is to narrow down your search for the best movers to one, but we do not just say that we are the best. We prove that we are. We have an experienced and professional team of movers that pay attention to every detail of your move requirements. A local move to another part of Etobicoke that does not exceed 100 miles is easy to execute in a few hours to one day. Any move, whether local or long distance, needs planning and maximum safety for the luggage. Only a professional mover can provide you with the protection and stress-free services that you need. 3 Movers is an Etobicoke moving company with many years of experience in different types of moving services. Whether you're moving a block away or to another distant state, we will give you the same specialized attention and ensure the safety of your belongings in transit and arrival. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Etobicoke moving business offers